How to add the contact information on your lock screen so that if ever someone finds your phone, you'll have another number or an email that they can contact you and tell you that they found your phone if you are lucky enough. This is the S24 Ultra, and these settings are not exactly where they should be, but I'll show you how to get into them for now. Okay, so basically you want to use a quick panel access here and look for that settings toggle right at the top right here. When you tap on it once, you'll be taken to this section here, and I want you to go down to the lock screen and always on display. Okay, so maybe my update is not exactly like it should be, but if you're not seeing it, you'll look for right down here, edit lock screen. So if you have the same layout as mine, go here. And when you do this, this is going to happen and you'll see contact information. So go ahead and tap on that. And this is only going to be useful if you put another number. Don't put your number because then the person would call that number and your phone is with them. You know what I'm saying? So put someone else's number, someone that you can trust, as well as, if not, put an email that they can reach out to you or another number that you might have, okay? And whatever you put there, okay, I'm just going to type in the word contact here just to show you that it's going to show on the lock screen. So whatever you put here, you'll press done now. That's going to be there. Be sure to press done so that it can save. And now when you're on the lock screen, so they get your phone, they pick it up, they're going to see it right in this section here. Okay, so that's basically what it does, as your information there. And if the person is kind enough, they will return it back. And of course, you can go back and edit that at any given time, like it's a